I think God is the author of nature and the author of Scripture, and that if he's the author of both, then the two. And so I wouldn't say there's a high percentage of Americans that would identify creationism. There is a high percentage of Americans who disbelieve that evolution was what accounted for the origin of humanity and all of life, but necessarily choose creationism as the alternate explanation, and I'm not really sure who would choose. So the work that to believe is doing is allow people to can believe and actually deal it with the Christian the account of humanity's creation, that this message in particular should be well received by American people, even perhaps aren't Christian. So that I'm involved with I believe in deeply. I think it's very valuable. That in similar attempts from Turkish organizations that information and religious faith claims, trying to integrate the two in light of what is worthwhile to pursue this. And if that's what we're trying to do, we're trying to pursue truth, we're taking scientific information seriously, critically, willing to there behind specific claims, that is the best way to pursue truth together. So organizations that are intentionally trying to pursue truth in a way that's respectful to ideologies that even disagree with them, dialogue with different ideologies is the best way we could approach living in a diverse culture.